Creating a layout using a layout template. Create a new Layout tab. Right-click the Layout 1 tab and then choose from Template. In the Select Template from File dialog box, select Architectural English Units Color-Dependent Plot Styles as the template and then choose Open. In the Insert Layouts dialog box, select Architectural Tile Block and then choose OK to close the Insert Layouts dialog box. A new Layout tab named Architectural Title Block is displayed, and, as you will see later in this exercise, an Architectural Title Block has been inserted in the new layout. Rename the new Layout tab. Right-click the Architectural Title Block tab to display the Layout shortcut menu, and then choose Rename. In the Rename Layout dialog box, enter Roof Plan. Choose OK to close the Rename Layout dialog box. Notice that the Layout tab at the bottom of the drawing area has been renamed. Adjust the view in the Layout viewport. Choose the Roof Plan tab. In the drawing area, double-click inside the Layout viewport to access Model Space. In the Layout viewport, right-click and then choose Zoom. Right-click and choose Zoom Extents. Press Escape to exit the Zoom command. Set the exact scale in the viewport. Double-click outside the viewport to return to paper space. Select the edge of the viewport. On the Standard toolbar, choose Properties. In the Properties window, choose Standard Scale. In the Standard Scale list, select 3/8 of an inch equals 1 foot to apply an exact scale to the viewport. Close the Properties window. Adjust the size of the Layout viewport. Select the viewport's lower right grip and then drag the grip to the left until only the framing plan is visible. Press Escape to clear the selection set and to remove all grips. The roof plan layout is complete. Copying an existing layout. Copy the layout. Right-click the Roof Plan tab and then choose Move or Copy. In the Move or Copy dialog box, select Move to End. Select Create a Copy. Then choose OK to create the Roof Plan 2 tab. Add a new viewport. Choose the Roof Plan 2 tab. From the View menu, choose Viewports and then choose New Viewports. In the Viewports dialog box, on the New Viewports tab, select Single. Choose OK to close the Viewports dialog box. Specify 2 points to create a new viewport along the right side of the existing viewport. Adjust the view in the new viewport. Double-click inside the new viewport to access Model Space. In the viewport, right-click and then choose Zoom. Right-click and choose Zoom Window. Click 2 points to define a window around the leftmost of the 3 details in the drawing. You might need to do this more than once. Double-click in the area outside both viewports to return to paper space. Set the exact scale in the new viewport. Select the edge of the new layout viewport. From the Modify menu, choose Properties. In the Properties window, choose Standard Scale. In the Standard Scale list, select 3 inches equals 1 foot to apply an exact scale to the viewport. Close the Properties window. Adjust the size of the new layout viewport. Select and move grips as required to make the new viewport fit the detail. You can also make the viewports overlap. Press Escape to remove the grips from the viewport. Using Page Setup to define a layout. Choose the Layout 1 tab. Because no layout has been defined for this tab, the Page Setup dialog box is displayed. In the Page Setup dialog box, on the Plot Device tab, in the list of plotters, select the DraftMaster 2 plotter. In the Plot Style Table Pen Assignments area, in the Name list, select acad.ctb or aclt.ctb. This file contains color-dependent default pen settings. On the Layout Settings tab in the Paper Size list, select ISO A3 420.00 by 297.00 mm to specify the size and orientation of the paper in the plotter. Choose Add to add this layout to your list of standard layouts. This will reduce your page setup time in the future. In the User Defined Page Setups dialog box, in the New Page Setup Name box, enter ISO A3 HP. Choose OK to close the User Defined Page Setups dialog box. Choose OK to close the Page Setup dialog box and to display the new layout. Placing a title block in the layout. On the Draw toolbar, choose Insert Block. In the Insert dialog box, choose Browse to locate a drawing to insert as a block. In the Select Drawing File dialog box, select ac83bt.dwg from the Sample Files folder on your Learning Assistance CD. Choose Open to open the drawing and close the Select Drawing File dialog box. Choose OK to insert this drawing as a block into the current layout. Click in the drawing to position the title block. Note that the dashed lines indicate the boundaries of the area on the paper that can be plotted. The size of this area depends on the paper size and the plotter that you selected. Specifying the exact scale of the view. Select the edge of the viewport containing the drawing view. Right-click and then choose Properties. In the Properties window, choose Standard Scale. In the Standard Scale list, select 1 to 100. Close the Properties window. Press Escape to clear the selection set and remove all grips from the viewport.